Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Today we are going to be opening up my Boxycharm. And I don't know what I'll know what all the good stuff in. Let me put my glasses on because I'm going to have to do some reading. And it's very exciting. Let's get the box open. This is my Boxycharm base box, which is a $25 box. And I'm really hoping that I have the Natasha Denona palette. Oh, I've got the coupon, so that means I've got the palette. I've got the palette. Boop, 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 boop. I got the palette. And this is variation 33, and the words are very small, so I'm grateful for my glasses. And this is what the inside of the box looks like. And let's take a look at this palette. I can't wait to see it. And this is a $48 value. It is beautiful. It is very beautiful. Let's do some reading, and then I'm going to do some adding at the end to see what the value of the box is. And this is the Natasha Denona Peak Palette, a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm toned eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes, all reorganized and wrapped up into one, composed of both creamy mattes and metallic formulas from the cult classic Bibo, Safari, and Sunrise eyeshadow palettes. You'll find yourself reaching for this all season long. $48, Boxy exclusive. The next we have is what I chose. I'm gonna get this out. And it is the Milk Makeup Kush Lash waterproof mascara, and it is $24. A waterproof intense black mascara with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil. So it's very exciting. I already have the regular Kush mascara open, so I'm going to put this to the side right now, and I'll be opening that once that other one is out of stock, once it's all dried up. Oh, this is a little bent up, but it is the PCRO Primcrow Primer. All right, this is Alamar Cosmetics Primero Primer, long wear sticky pigment base, a water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place and to maximize color and pearl dimension. It's a water and wear resistant, and enriched with shea butter to provide skin conditioning and moisturizing benefits. It also works as a glitter glue, which is awesome because then you don't have to use two different things. Mix with your favorite concealer to customize the primer shade. $15. I've got a glitter primer glitter glue that I use, and I just use concealer as primer, but maybe I'll give it a go. Next up is from Yensa, which is a fancy brand. And just right for the season, pumpkin and turmeric 2-in-1 radiance polishing mask with 8 super orange essence. Ooh, so it probably smells like oranges. Let's see. And it's a 2-in-1 mask infused with 8 orange skin-loving ingredients to help nourish and polish your face for a hydrated, smooth, supple, and radiant complexion. The lightweight and exfoliating formula resurfaces skin in only 5 to 10 minutes. That's pretty amazing. $45. I gotta see if I can smell anything. And it could mean just 8 things that are orange colored. I don't know. And this is a nice size. It looks very full when I hold it up to the light. Oh, it's got a safety seal. I'm not going to pop that open. Powered by 8 super orange essence. And it says, to smooth a thin layer on clean, damp skin for 5 to 10 minutes, gently massage into something. Oh my God, this is hard to read. Motion with circular motions with warm water, then rinse. Use 3 to 4 times a week for a superfood glow. Live Your Yen from the, I can't read the owner's name. But that's very cool. Everybody likes to have a nice glow. And last but not least, this is from Peach and Lily, and I've heard this is fantastic. I'm really excited about this. And it is the Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. And this is a very nice size. It's got a great smooth, cool feel to it. And it is the Power Calm Hydrating Cleanser. Deep cleans and soothes. And it is written so tiny, even with my glasses. Maybe my, oh my gosh, my little, what is this called? It's not a microscope, it's a magnifying glass. Getting the basics right can be difficult. A proper cleanse down to the pores, all without stripping skin dry, can be the difference between problem-riddled versus healthy, vibrant skin. The gentle face wash keeps your skin barrier intact, cuts out the harmful ingredients, and starts off your routine right. Skin is left deeply cleansed, refreshed, and hydrated. Experience how the right start can profoundly improve your skin. Now, I've not had a profound cleanser before, but this is obviously profound. Let's see what it says on the card. Cleanse properly can be the difference between healthy skin and problem-prone skin. This gentle sulfate-free cleanser contains no harmful ingredients and keeps your skin barrier intact, so you can start your routine right with the skin that feels deeply cleansed, refreshed, and hydrated. MSRP $28. So let's add this. Let's recap. So we've got the mascara, we got the Natasha Denona, we've got the eye primer from Alamar, we've got the pumpkin mask, we got the Lily and Peach and Lily. And let's add this all up and see what the value of my box is. So $48 for the palette, $28 for that cleanser, $24 for the mascara, $45 for the mask, and $15 for the primer. And that puts us at $134. So that's great for a $25 box. $134 value is fantastic. And I'm pretty excited about most of this stuff. So I want to thank you so much for being with me here today. I hope you have a great day. And like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.